Hello and welcome you once again in this new session of history. Today we are going to read about the question answers and the bookwork of your lesson number 4, the Tughlaqs, Saids and Lodhis. Question number 1. Muhammad bin Tughlaq was a very intelligent ruler. He formulated various schemes but lacked the common sense to successfully implement them. He was known in history as a mixture of opposites or the wisest fool. Taxation of Doab. Muhammad wanted to conquer territories and not only in India but also to the Central Asia. This meant a huge army, so he increased taxes which the peasants had to pay in the fertile Doab area. That year there was a famine in Doab. The people refused to pay the extra taxes and rose in rebellion. Finally, the Sultan had to cancel his order. Then he transferred the capital. Muhammad Tughlaq transferred his capital from Delhi to Devanagiri, renamed Daulatabad because it would have been a better place to controlling the Deccan. Delhi was too near to Punjab and so was often attacked by the Mongols. See, drawbacks of the new capital was that it was too far from the northern India and so the Sultan could not keep a watch on the northern frontiers. So finally Muhammad returned to Delhi and it became the capital once more. This step the Sultan caused a great loss of money. Then issue of token currency. The Sultan decided to issue token coins in brass and copper which could be exchanged from silver coins from the treasury. This scheme would have worked if he had taken care to see that only the government was issuing the tokens coins so that some control could be maintained over it. Since the Sultan had no control over the finances, forged coins filled the whole market and foreign traders refused to accept them and the token coins had to be discontinued. Thus, Thus, the policies of Muhammad Tughlaq proved disasters for his personality as well as for his empire. Thus, the policies of the Muhammad Tughlaq proved disasters for his personality as well as for his empire. The prestige of the empire was greatly undermined. Write about the welfare scheme of the Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Welfare scheme of the Firoz Shah Tughlaq. A. Firoz Shah reduced the amount of taxes. B. Canals were made for the irrigation purposes and the irrigation tax was only 1/10 of the total produce. C. Merchants were relieved from the payment of the oppressive octroi duty. The state officers were strictly warned from demanding any extra taxes. And E. He established a charity bureau. It to help the widows, orphans and primarily the middle class Muslims for the arrangement of the marriage of their daughters. Then he established an employment bureau to provide employment to poor people. Firoz Tughlaq set up a charitable hospital where treatment, medicines and diet were given free to cost to the poor. He constructed and repaired a number of sarais, reservoirs, hospital, bath and bridges. Now to the bookwork. In the fill in the blanks, Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq started the rule of Tughlaq dynasty. Ulema served as the chief Qazi of Delhi. Third, Muhammad shifted the capital from Delhi to Devgiri, renamed Daulatabad in the Deccan. Timur appointed Khizr Khan as the governor of conquered territories in India. And fifth, Sikandar Lodi is regarded as the most powerful Lodi ruler. Then Tughlaqabad, Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq, higher taxation, the Doab, Firoz Shah Kotla, Firoz Shah Tughlaq, Ibrahim Lodi, first battle of Panipat, and Khizr Khan, Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. Then true false. First is the Muhammad introduced a silver coin to overcome the shortage of the gold during his rule. False. It was brass and copper. Muhammad organized a huge army to conquer Khurasan. True. Samarkand was the capital of the Timur kingdom. True. Sikandar took the measure to keep the prices essential commodities low. True. The last Sayyid ruler was defeated by Babur. No, it was the Lodi ruler who was defeated by the Babur. False. Choose the correct answer. Firoz Shah, Muhammad Shah. Firoz Shah is not, Muhammad Shah is the right answer. Muhammad bin Tughlaq shifted the capital from Delhi to Daulatabad. Zahiruddin Muhammad Babur fought the first battle of Panipat, not Terrain. Muhammad increased the taxes in the Doab during the time of plague, a famine. It was a famine. And Timur was the Mongol ruler of Central Asia. Yes, Mongol, not Mughal. And Bhalol Lodi, Ibrahim Lodi. It's Ibrahim Lodi angered seniors, nobles, and governors of his dynasty. So that's all for today's session. We will meet in our next session with new topic. Till then, have a nice day and take care of your health.